Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Firebase versus VS Code. It's important to understand that these are distinct tools serving different purposes in software development. Firebase provides a suite of cloud-based backend services, helping you build and scale applications rapidly without managing servers. On the other hand, VS Code is a local code editor, your primary environment for writing, testing, and debugging code on your machine. They aren't direct competitors, but rather complementary components of a modern development workflow. Firebase truly shines as a backend-as-a-service platform, offering a robust suite of tools. Imagine needing user authentication, a real-time database, or even cloud storage. Firebase provides these out of the box. It significantly speeds up development, allowing you to focus on your application's front end and core logic. With features like Cloud Firestore and Firebase Hosting, you can deploy and scale your applications globally with just a few clicks, handling millions of users effortlessly. Visual Studio Code, or VS Code, is your go-to local development environment. It's a highly customizable and lightweight code editor that supports nearly every programming language imaginable through its extensive marketplace of extensions. From intelligent code, completion and syntax highlighting, to integrated debugging and version control with Git, VS Code empowers developers to write clean, efficient code. It's the central hub where you craft your application's logic and user interface before deploying it. So, which is better? The answer is neither, as they serve different roles. You'll use VS Code for the hands-on coding, building your front end, and writing any server-side logic that might interact with Firebase. Firebase, in turn, handles the heavy lifting of your backend, like data storage, user management, and hosting. Many developers leverage both simultaneously, writing their application in VS Code and deploying or connecting it to Firebase's powerful cloud services for a complete, efficient development experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.